Hey friends, if you wish to troubleshoot keyboard issues in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So before anything else, here's the point. We do not have the keyboard troubleshooter anymore. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for keyboards, right click on the keyboard driver and update it. Does this help? If not, then the next solution is as follows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the accessibility tab in the list on the left hand side and select keyboard in the right pane. Turn all of these three switches off. And after that, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. Okay, so this is how you can troubleshoot keyboard issues in Windows 11. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.